Hey everyone, Natalie here with Artisan Cakes, and I thought I would just take a minute to talk about the benefits of using a grease-proof corrugated board underneath your cakes instead of just a standard corrugated board. I think pictures speak 1,000 words, so let me show what happens in less than 24 hours once you've piped buttercream onto a non-grease-proof board. So we've invested all of our inventory purchasing power into grease-proof boards only. They're coated so that none of that grease can work its way through. You're not going to end up with ugly grease stains. It's really easy to wipe clean, and it doesn't wick the moisture from your cake, drying it out. Also, once a board has absorbed the oils of your buttercream or your icings, that integrity, it reduces. So it becomes kind of squishy and floppy on the inside. So if you're using it for a support board, there's a good chance that you're going to run into the risks of a sagging support board. All right, so we are going to all start transitioning strictly to grease-proof corrugated boards, right? And we have shelves upon shelves of them in every size imaginable. Thank you so much for tuning in for our tip of the day, and we really appreciate you here at Artisan Cakes. Come and see us soon.